What's good, fam? Today we're going to draw vanishing cubes going into the distance. Start with the horizon line and mark the center. Draw your center line perpendicular to the horizon and mark every inch. Connect your points to the vanishing point. All vertical lines drawn in 2-point perspective are parallel to the center line. Draw the center line of the cube and slide your ruler over to create a square in perspective. Do this on both sides. The cube is made of 3 lines from the left vanishing point, 3 lines from the right vanishing point, and 3 vertical parallel lines. Outline your square. Do this on both sides. Connect the vertical lines to the vanishing points and outline the cube. Extend a line from the vanishing point through the center of the vertical line. Draw a vertical line where it intersects the outer vanishing line. Slide your ruler over to create another vertical line. Connect your vertical line to the inner vanishing line. Draw a vertical line down from this point of intersection to the cube. We've now created an illusion of a panel behind the cube. Turn your panel into a cube using the vanishing lines. Mark the center of the vertical line and extend a line from the vanishing point to the outer vanishing line. Draw a vertical line where they intersect. Slide your ruler over and draw more vertical lines receding into the distance. Connect your verticals to the vanishing line to complete your cubes. Continue to add cubes as far back and as small as you can to give the illusion that they're vanishing into the distance. Thanks for drawing with me, and I'll see you in the next video.